This video I'm going to assemble and use the Hall Master Drywall panel hoist from Harbor Freight. So let's open it up and see what's all inside. First I have the top piece, then the crossbars, the base, and then the main middle piece along with instructions and hardware. The first thing I need to do is expand the base to put it together, so I need to push this release mechanism in order to do that. Then after the base is expanded and locked into place, I need to insert the end of the main piece into the center of the base, which is just held in by gravity. So then I do this, and it seemed too easy, so I try again to make sure I have it all the way in and the center piece is straight up and down. It looks and feels like it's in all the way, so I spin it around to put the top on next, which is as simple as inserting the round bar into the round hole, and again letting gravity do its thing. Now I'll install the cross braces, which get held into place by this metal bar. I just lay them onto this angled plate and then pull back until the metal bar clicks, which locks it into place. And after that, all I need to do is install a handle and I'm done with the assembly. Before that, I'm curious how it works, so I will tilt the top piece by removing this pin on the back and replacing it in the last hole so it's tilted all the way. Then I put a small piece of drywall on the hooks and tilt it back so I can figure out what I need to do next to raise it up. I see that these hooks will need to be folded back so they won't prevent the hoist from going all the way up, so I do that to both with these wing nuts. Then I move it into place so I can figure out how to lift the panel. I end up pulling back on this bar until it locks into place, which raises the panel most of the way. Then I figure out that I need to push down on the slotted bar to twist this other locking mechanism into place. And here is the last thing I need to do for the assembly. I install this handle by screwing it into the bolt welded to the wheel, and then tighten the nut to prevent it from unscrewing. Next I raise the panel all the way up to see how well it will hold it into place on the ceiling. Then I need to figure out how to lower it, which I need to release the locking mechanism on the back, and then pull up on this bar to the left of the wheel before it will let me. Then I just lower the panel until it triggers the locking mechanism on the back. Now when I'm done with it, I just twist this front locking mechanism to release and turn the wheel clockwise to pull the bar back up for storage. I want to go over a couple other things. For full drywall panels, you can pull out these ends to prevent the panels from bowing. You can also insert this pin into a square hole on the front as an extra safety precaution to prevent the lift from crashing down on someone. To lock the wheels into place, push down on the side that is labeled with off. And finally, this next feature seems like it is designed to hold the top piece into place, but it doesn't seem like it would do a good job unless it was clamped down with something. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.